Yo, what is good, YouTube? I am Richard Kim. It is early morning right now, and like I said, I am going to be doing a couple of things to the car today. So I'm grabbing just a quick bite to eat, and then I'm going to the first place. You guys will see what it is eventually, and then right afterwards, I gotta go somewhere else and get the other thing done. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much what's gonna be it for today. All right, you guys, so I'm here at RW Carbon over here in Anaheim, and as you guys can guess, I'm getting some carbon parts installed. So this is the last time you will see this car completely stock, at least for a long time. But yeah, I'm only getting a few carbon parts today. You know, the other carbon pieces will be coming in later. But like I said, you know, there are a lot of exterior things I want to change to this car. And yep, it's all going to start today. So I'm going to let the guys do their thing, and I'll show you what it looks like after. All right, so I just got the car finished for the few carbon pieces that I do have on right now. Sorry if it's a little bit hard to hear me, but yeah, so here's what the pieces look like before, these non-carbon pieces. And yeah, so this is what it looks like afterwards. So first up, we have this carbon fiber mirror cap. This is not just a piece that goes on top of the OEM. This is an actual replacement. That carbon fiber weave looks so good. Got the new carbon fiber spoiler. And then look at this carbon fiber diffuser down here. Wow, this looks nice. Yeah, so big shout out to RW Carbon for, you know, the great quality parts and for installing this stuff. And shout out to Malachi for the super helpful customer service. He's super friendly. He'll definitely take care of you if you guys, you know, do end up getting some parts from RW Carbon. I would highly recommend it. But yeah, so on to place number 2 for the second mod of the day. All right, so we are at our next spot, and the second mod, if you even want to call it a mod actually, is I'm getting this car tinted because the windows are completely clear right now and you can see through it so easily. Like, just take a look at this. Like, well, yeah, I mean, look at this. Like, you can see clearly through these windows. So yeah, let's go ahead and change that. So I'm over here at Elevance over in Cerritos, and they're going to take care of me. I'm going to be getting, well, you guys will see the film in a little bit. I'm going to let them do their thing, and let's see what it looks like. So the car is finally tinted. Shout out to Elevance over in Hawaiian Gardens, not Cerritos. But yeah, you know, the service was great. They got it done really quick, and you know, they offer very competitive pricing. So the windows are like super dark now. I mean, you can see through like kind of when you get up really close, but yeah, I mean, the windows look really dark. So I got a Lumar IRX 15% tint. So it's pretty dark. I think it really ties the look of the whole car together. But yeah, you know, so that's pretty much it for today. I don't have anything else coming up for another couple days now. But I will be going to check out some cars tomorrow with a friend. So yep, stay tuned for that. But that's pretty much it. So it is actually a couple days later now. I am getting that secondary window tinting done. I'm actually getting that front windshield tilted today with a film that you guys will see afterwards. I'll let you all know what it is. I'm over here at Ace Auto Tint. So far from, you know, the customer experience that I've had, it's been really good. They've been super communicative, and their pricing is also pretty legit. So, you know, before we get to the window tint, the front window tint, I should say, let's check out these side tints. I did get that Lumar IRX and that 15%. It is pretty dark, but not too dark, honestly. It is looking really clean. The film is curing. So yeah, you know, Elevance did a great job. From the inside, it's not too dark. It does let in a good amount of light, even though it is a 15%. So yeah, you know, the car is looking good. I'm gonna let these guys do their window tint on the front windshield, and let's see how it looks like once it's done. I just got the car back. The front tint is done. So I actually went with the crystalline, 3M crystalline, 90%. Honestly, I can barely notice any difference between, you know, just no tint versus this 90% tint. which is exactly what I wanted. You know, you don't want your front tint to be too dark. Really what I got this for is the heat reduction and like the glare reduction, because, you know, it really can get pretty bright and hot out here in California. So the front tint was a must for me. So I did go with that 3M crystalline. I'll let you know how it is, you know, later down the line, once, you know, I've actually driven the car more. I only have not even 200 miles, I think, on this car right now, or maybe just a little bit over. So yeah, I'll let you know. But Ace Auto Tint Shop, they did a great job. I would highly recommend them for all of your 3M crystalline needs. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Time to go home.